Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the EHA Markets Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EHA Markets app on your device, and once you are logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. Now if you wish to change your account password, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then tap on Basic Information, and now you will see the Change Password button. Just tap on this and you will need to enter your email address and the verification code sent within. After typing in your email, tap on the send button, and now you can check your inbox to find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given box, and now you can set up your new password. After typing in your desired new password, tap on the confirm button, and now your password has successfully been changed. After this point, if you log out from your account, and whenever you try to log back in again, you can use this new password. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the EHA Markets Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.